we added the team active listings and we added the team active transactions. The thing about these are for this is most used or could be most helpful to your listing coordinator, your transaction coordinators, so they can go in and they can see multiple statuses, making changes to multiple records, either the listing side or the transaction side of different fields that they're most interested in, the statusing and stuff like that. One thing that I added, and I don't remember, I think I added it after the fact, was we did add sorting and filtering to this window as well. So if you wanted to sort it by date or you wanted to sort it by price, whatever, you can do that. Or if you want to filter just those that are active, you can do the filtering just like we do on the listing, the list of properties and stuff. So what I added there was the filtering piece. I'm not sure that we went over that or not, but that's been added to those two. But in talking with Melanie, it's like, well, this is great for all the compliance things. Once I'm in the listing, do I have my disclosures and stuff like that? It'd really be good to have a similar type of thing, but different columns for my pre-listing or my marketing section prior to doing this. So not really compliance as much, but maybe getting ready for marketing. So we've created a new team listing marketing where it does the exact same thing. It's just different columns. So maybe most of this is going to be, when does marketing start? When's my open house? When's my photography date? All the things that's important for date information, kind of statusing type stuff, can be all listed in here. So I've only got one showing in here, but it would show all the different listings and stuff for the team. So that has been added. I hope that will be helpful. Similar type of printing also is there. So you can click on the little printer and it will create a report with all the information in there as well for those that like printed stuff.